Hey guys, before you make any purchase out there, you do not want to miss this one. We have the best three fridges that you can see right now. We have the three different units of ICECO. So behind me, we have my 2000 Tundra. My name is Olbab. I'm with Inca 4x4. You can find me on their YouTube as Undercover Tundra. You can find me on Instagram as Overland 1983. So if you're on the hunt for any overlanding gear, we have everything that you possibly need. We have anything from awnings, shower stands, we have showers, we have canopy campers, we have rooftop tent, we have soft tents, we have recovery gear, storage gear, we have tools, we have anything from trasharoo, we have fire pits. We offer a dual system setup for your vehicle along with solar panels. We have everything that you can possibly think on the overlanding gear community. And we're located in Atlanta, Georgia. We offer fast shipping and the best prices in the market. Hey guys, so in front of me we have, or I have these three units. So this is mine right here. So I was looking for a fridge almost 2 years ago. I was able to snag this one at the website. This is my VL45, almost 2 years old, it's still standing, very durable. This is a APL 55, and we also have the VLPro 45. Yeah, guys, so this is a BL45, 45 liter single zone freezer. This is the one that I have that I've been using for almost 2 years. So you can get this unit on two different sizes. You can get it on dual zone or single zone, and you can, when I say different sizes on the single zone, you can get two different sizes on the single zone, and on the dual zone, you can get two different sizes on the dual zone. Mine comes with the little baskets, so I still have, this is what I carry pretty much every day. It has a small basket too for small items. And yeah, this is what I've been using, and I'm very comfortable with it. Never had an issue. So yeah, this is, like I said earlier in the start of the video, this is my unit that I have for almost 2 years. So on this fridge, you will use this. This is where the controls are on the front section of the fridge. So I keep mine facing out toward the back of the truck, so it's easy for me to reach out and select how I want it. So I keep mine on low settings on the battery protection, and I also keep on the compressor speed as a minimum. And I also keep the temperature low to 32 to 34 degrees. It keeps everything nice and comfortable. All the connectors are on the front. You got the AC with the DC on the front with the 15 amp fuse. So it's not hard to miss. Everything is right there on the front. So here on the other side, we have like another version of my fridge. This is a newer unit, like a step up from my unit. So a good thing I like about ICECO, inside the lid, it will tell you how you should keep all your stuff, like your food, your drinks, your beverage, all of that. And so once again, if you're not using the fridge, just unplug it. It will save a lot of stress on the compressor. All the controllers are on the front, located on the front. There's also a DC connector on the rear, so you have the dual option. You have nice covers on the front. All the controls are here. We also keep this one the minimum running compressor time with the 32 to 36 degrees the temperature. And so this is a controller in this unit. So the battery monitor, we always keep it low because we don't want to overstress the unit. We want they're durable, they're gonna last, but we're also trying to help by not overstressing. And the controller, you can select to whatever degree or whatever you like. And then on this one offers you can go max, you can go minimum. So we always keep it as comfortable as possible. Okay. So you also have under this, you have a nice little covering here. So you have all the USB charger connectors right here. And you can actually charge your phone, your iPad from here. You got the DC and the AC connectors. And you also have a DC connector on the rear, which I'm gonna show you. Here we go. So you get the two options. So we just had an expo not too long ago where a lot of customers were happy about the flexibility on connections on this fridge, where some people are not able to keep it the long ways that we do in our rigs, or some people are not able to keep it the way they would like to. So this, with this this unit add on to it, it was catching people's eyes, and it was making the customer be like, okay, we can position this unit this way, that way. So this right here for this fridge is a plus for sure. Also on this fridge, a lot of people ask about the lid, and so this lid right here is super cool because you can open on the right side, or you can open on the left side, depending how you got it situated in your car or your vehicle or your rig, or you can actually take the whole lid out. This will give you a lot of flexibility to reach around and get what you need to get. It also comes with one basket. This is a single zone. This is the VLPro 45. You can get on different sizes, a single zone, dual zone. This is what we have for the VL45 Pro. Okay, here we have the APL 55. This is a nice unit because you can actually set up this fridge the way you want it straight from your phone. This unit right here has an application where you can go online, download your application, and set it up as way you want it. You can be up on your rooftop tent and you forgot to do something to your fridge. You can go straight to your phone and set up the way you want it. This is a dual zone unit. You can make this one as a single zone unit by you can remove both baskets, and you remove the divider, and you can make this into a single zone. This unit also comes with a drain plug. So you have a little drain plug on the inside that you can remove, or you can open and close. And this unit right here is also waterproof, which is awesome because a lot of people doesn't have like a cover camper like myself. They don't have, a lot of people there have an exposed open back truck where the units will get wet, so you have nothing to worry about. This is a waterproof. You have every cover for all the DC AC connector, and you have all the USB chargers, and here's your controllers. So the other thing that I like about this fridge is the lid. So a lot of people, when they opened this, they thought the lid was gonna slam closed. No, actually this has a soft closing system that you can just let it go and will close, and then you lock it. You lock it right here, and then you can open it up. And so you also, I need to mention this too, this unit also offers the connectors on the rear where you have the AC and the USB chargers in here. So once again, if you're in a vehicle, you love the fridge, but your vehicle doesn't have the space necessary to move this unit around, you can set this either that way, this way, and you have plugs on both sides. Right. Hey guys, thank you again for watching this video. Please make sure to head on to the website at ICECOVL.com, where we have a special discount on all the ICECO fridges. Don't forget to check us out. Make sure you like and subscribe for this video and the near future ones. Thank you.